In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve Jupyter Notebook launching error. If Jupyter Notebook won't open or you're seeing errors when you try to launch it, follow along and we'll get it working again in just a few minutes. First, open the Windows search from your taskbar and look for Command Prompt. This is where we'll run a couple of quick checks. Opening it from search is the fastest way to make sure we're using a clean, predictable environment. With Command Prompt open, type Jupyter version and press Enter. This command asks Jupyter to report its installed version, and it's a simple way to confirm that your system can find Jupyter correctly. If you see version numbers appear, that means Jupyter is installed and reachable. If you get an error like not recognized or the command doesn't return a version, it usually means the installation is broken or Jupyter isn't linked to the environment you're using. That's fine, we'll repair it next. To fix a corrupted installation, we'll reinstall the notebook package. In the same command prompt, type pip uninstall notebook and press enter. Let it finish completely so the old files are removed. Then type pip install notebook and press enter to install a fresh copy. Using pip here replaces the notebook package cleanly, which resolves many launch issues caused by partial updates or conflicting files. Just make sure you're using the same Python environment you normally work in so everything stays consistent. Now navigate to the folder where you want to work. In File Explorer, click the address bar at the top, type CMD, and press Enter. This opens a command prompt directly in that folder, so Jupyter will start in the correct location. Finally, type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. This should open your default browser and load the Jupyter interface from the folder you chose, which avoids common path and permission hiccups. That's it. By checking the version, reinstalling the notebook package if needed, and launching from your project folder, you'll eliminate the most common causes of Jupyter Notebook launch errors. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.